Okay, today we're going to be changing the tuners on this guy here. This is my daughter's classical guitar, and she was complaining about how one of the tuners doesn't tune. So I looked at it, and this one is broken. I don't know if you can see it right there, but there's a crack in this little guy here, in the peg, and it's causing this not to turn and hold tension properly. So I had to order a new set of tuners. I tried to order it from the Cordoba website, but they were out of stock, so I went ahead and found replacement ones on Amazon that had really good reviews, and it fits perfectly in there. And I'm gonna take off the old ones, clean it up really nice, and put the new ones on, restring it, clean the fretboard, clean the frets, make sure it's in playable condition, and yeah, and get to it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking off the tuners. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 little screws. I'm going to use my little screwdriver, take these off. And it should pull right off. Let's see. I want to make sure I don't strip the screws. This should come right off. Should. There it is. I'll do the same on the other side and then clean it up real nice. Okay, so I got the tuners off, and it's ready to be cleaned. Got this guitar polish and cleaner, and then I'm gonna polish it off with this cream of carnauba. It's kind of like the car wax, but it's for guitars. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean this up nice and continue. It's this stuff. Ooh, nice and clean, fresh and so clean. Oh yeah. There's some gunk on this one. Get that off. Yeah. Nice and clean. Cleaning. Look at all that. Look at all that. Oh yeah. Coming off nice. It's gonna be like new for my daughter, so she can play beautiful music on this. She was learning Blackbird by the Beatles, and she sounds really good playing it. And it's gonna sound even better now with the new tuners and nice and clean. Fretboard, frets. Oh yeah. Okay, everything is really clean. Frets are clean. Guitar is nice and polished. Looks really good. Now all I gotta do is put the new tuners on and string it up. And yeah, let's take it from there. Okay, so when you put these on, you're supposed to put them on this way with the sprockets on this side. So when the string pulls, it pushes the sprocket onto the onto this part here. I forget what it's called. The wormhole. But yeah, it's supposed to go in this way with the tuners toward the front. So let's slide that in here and see how that fits. It's a perfect fit. So I'm gonna screw those on and tighten it up, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put on some of these Ernie ball Earthwood nylon classic ball end strings. I prefer the ball end ones because the traditional ones are a pain in the ass. So yeah, we're gonna put these on. It's easier to change, especially for my daughter. And we're gonna string her up. Here we go. All right, so I got the strings on with the new tuners, and it's looks really good, if you can see. But yeah, I got the new strings on. I'm gonna stretch them out a little bit so they stay in tune. I did a rough tuning, but you know how that is. You gotta give them a good stretch. Ooh, what was that? That wasn't good. Okay. There we go. Gotta tune it. Alright, we gotta tune it up now. And that's how you do it.